第26條咧就問關於以下落嚟咧啲 transition metals 咧，究竟邊一個唔係佢嘅 characteristic property 啦？而我哋其實已經知道咧，佢哋係有3個特性嘅，佢哋會 form color ions 啦，會有 multiple oxidation states 啦，佢哋自己同埋佢哋嘅 compounds 咧都會 show catalytic property 嘅，咁所以其實已經解決咗上面 A、B、C、D 某啲㗎啦。例如話 A 咧，佢話佢 form color compounds 咧，咁的確係啊，因為譬如話 iron 2同埋 iron 3咧，佢哋都唔同顏色㗎啦已經。例如話佢 form iron 2 hydroxide 咧係 dirty green 啦，iron 3 hydroxide 咧佢係呢個嘅 reddish brown in colour 嘅，咁所以咧就會有form color compounds 係啱嘅，咁所以我哋唔揀佢啦。咁其實 B 咧就話佢哋有 exhibit 呢個 variable oxidation number 都啱，因為其實上面已經 show 俾你睇啦。譬如 iron 咧已經有 iron 2同埋 iron 3咧兩個嘅 oxidation states 啦。C 就話佢哋都會同呢個嘅dilute hydrochloric acid react 喎，會 form hydrogen gas。咁譬如話 zinc 咧，的確係啊，會 form salts 同埋 hydrogen gas，因為 zinc 都比較 reactive。咁但係 copper 或者以下嗰啲咧就唔會同呢個 dilute 嘅 hydrochloric acid react 啦。咁所以咧就唔係一個好嘅特性啦。咁然後 dot 咧就話佢哋會 exhibit 呢個 catalytic property 喎，喺佢嘅 elemental states 啦，或者 compounds 係啊，即係佢自己或者佢哋 compounds 咧都係可以做到呢個催化劑嘅角色㗎。咁的確係啦，所以咧我哋咧就答案係 C。